Zombie apocalypse.
This is AGA Forex. In today's video, I'm going to discuss how you can be able to use our own trading plan to trade a very big account. Last week I showed you how to trade small account, but this my profit is coming down. It's from 190 something. It's from 190 something. It's 180 something. It's coming down. Let me show you. This is my VIP group. This is the last update I make, 197 when I send it. So this market is coming down. Look at it live, $197. So, and I'm using the magic bomb strategy. You see, it's coming to once. I think I will take this profit. I will close it. I will take this profit, and I will notify my members that I closed my profit. See, so that's one thing you should understand with this market. I've taken another TP, and now this is the second TP I took. So what you should understand with this strategy is very, very simple and quite easy to understand. We got our entry here. We got our entry here. We got our entry here. Look at it. We got our entry here around this point, and the market. I already tell my VIP members that I'm expecting a spike from this point. Let me see. I told them I'm expecting a spike. Let me see. 120 pips. I told them I'm expecting a spike. This is the signal I give. 40 pips. I think, let me write to them. I closed my profit. I closed my trade. Because I'm doing a live video for you to see. So please, if you are okay with the TP, you can close. Sorry, I just like to inform my VIP members that I closed my trades. And not only my VIP, let me send it to my general group so that we can continue with our discussion. So this strategy is very, very profitable strategy. Since the time I have been trading this strategy, I have never lose 2 trades in a row. That's one good thing you should know about this strategy. I have never lost 2 trades in a row, and even if I did, that means I should have closed for that day, because based on my own trading plan, based on my own trading system, I am not going to allow the market to be in the side that I don't want it. Typically, simple, we say when all this move. Anyway, I did not give you the strategy fully, because it's not yet given, because this strategy, some people have already bought the copy with the copyright, because I have some of my friends, or I should say colleagues, that are into all this YouTube channeling, so they bought it and they are still on it. So for those that want the strategy, can join my VIP group. It's just a token. Because $10 is a token. It's a trade. So somebody last week, he funded $10 in his account. He created an account and funded $10 and paid $10 service fee for VIP. Within 3 to 4 days, he raised that account from $10 to over almost $290 something. He sent me the screenshot. I don't want to stop this video. I'll check it for you. One guy from South Africa, one of my friends, he even joined my mentorship. He bought my EA. Because I'm releasing an EA and my own auto trading boss for this strategy very, very soon. In fact, probably next week or upper week, because I'm still backtesting it live and I'm making money. All the signals I'm giving you is the signals I'm generated from my bot. I'm not just telling you. So for those that don't want to join the mentorship, can be able to purchase the bot. If you purchase the bot will be helping you to be trading for you manually. Anytime bot will trade for you, you are always in profit. That's what you should understand. as far as the board follows the certain rules aligned to maintain the factors of the technical and the this is even boom and crash of the technical of all the fundamental confluences attached together. That's what will produce you a great board to trade. So I have the board. So those that are interested can contact my support manager, can contact me direct. You see, I did not close this market now. This thing will have been coming down because this is a very long spike. So the market needs to retrace downward. And I may still place buy on this market if I wish. It depends on how the market reacts to the position I'm in right now. So that's what you should understand. So always follow those trading plan. That trading plan is the most important thing because all the signals I generated with my EA, all the signals I generated to do any other means, I must make sure all the sources are from the fundamental from confluence of such particular trading pair at the current market price, at that current market condition. That's what you should understand. If you are used to morning trading, sometimes if you try afternoon trading, you have to observe the market, how it moves, because probably market is not moving the same way it moves in the afternoon and the same way it moves in the evening. Probably one of you may heard about ART in my previous videos. I talk about ART very well because I'm using that indicator to back up my stop loss or to use as a barrier for any long trade I took, either a buy or sell market. Because ATR, average true range, it tells you the average and the exact true range on which the market can be able to produce at that particular moment. It's trying to maximize your thing for you. Minimize it. Because when you are given a clue, whenever you are given a clue to do something, there are always some certain factors of confluence that needs to attach to it to do it. Okay, assuming now I give you signal. Just because I give you signal, you cannot just stupidly enter market without reviewing the trade and without reviewing my reasons for even entering that position as a price action trader. That's what you should know. Whatever decision you are making as a price action trader, make sure you have a backup to it. Probably I buy here because market was forming a double bottom at a support level. Simple. I'm selling because I see a shooting star. Yes, you must have a backup. What is that backup? One of two confluence, one of two market analytic structure that may tell you that this market needs to go this way. Remember, from the strategy I told you, even from the trading plan, I talked to you about how you can be able to capture a swing in the market, and that's all about this strategy. Capture a swing from here to here. Let me delete this and get another one. Let me get another one. Let me use the 5 minute chart. You see, this market is this is a downtrend market. But why did I buy it? It's because the structure has changed and I make profit. I go against the trend and I make profit. You see, you have to understand how the market moves and what you are trying to do. If you are capturing a short candles on the smaller time frames, always consider the 1 hour time frame as your high priority. Yes, look at the 1 hour chart. The 1 hour chart, the market is as a support level. So that's to tell you that this market needs to go up, even up to that our TP. That's 120 pips movement. That market needs to go back there before it continues going down. But for now, because we are scalping, we are daily traders, I need to close that position because I'm waiting for the market to retrace down and I will buy again. So you see, so that's what you should understand. That's what you should understand. For today, I have booked almost $300 to $400 today. You see? So this is AGF Forex. So you see from the hourly chart, this market is at a strong support for that matter. Look at it. A strong support. Because the market has been trending down. There's a break of these previous highs. And that's the first retest after that breakout. So don't be surprised. The market can still go up again and start forming what we call a range bound market. That's from one support to another resistance up, from one support down to another resistance up. Simple. Sorry, these days I'm having issue with my throat, so sometimes my voice acts somehow. I'm sorry for that. It wasn't my fault. It was not that too sick. It was not that too healthy sometimes, especially during weather like this. So please bear with me. So let me tell you the three confluence that give us this signal. Number one, we ask ourselves, what is the trend of the market? Since when this price crossed this over here, this one, since when this price crossed over here, around this area, above this moving average, this black one, I will not mention which moving average is that because I'm not yet giving the right to the strategy. It's still my own private and money making machine strategy. So if you want it, you can contact me. We can sort that out. I'm not too greedy. I like to give people things out for free, but I need to add value to it and to myself so that it will make people do what they're supposed to. Some people will even insult me despite the positive and the positive reviews again on me, but I don't have time for all such things. All I have is to help struggling trader do whatever they want to do, give you free VIP signal, give you signal and update, give you update on anything that has to do with market structure, market analysis, market build up, setup construction, setup managing, everything you need to do as a retail struggle trader. FOREX is here to help you. I have received a lot of requests from other people with respect to my mentorship. Probably I may consider. I will think, though I'm still thinking about it, but I may consider collecting payment of mentorship in installments, so that some people can be able to join, because I receive some serious requests from people that they cannot afford to pay that at once. Fine, it's still okay. At least since I'm doing it for the sake of help, I will find a way and see how I can help you. So that's not a problem. So you see, from our trading plan, we have three conditions: the market direction, area of value, likely scenario between those two conditions mentioned earlier. Number one, market condition. Number one is not market condition. Number one is market trend of the market. Is the market trending up or downward? That's one. So here our market is off. One rule confirmed. The second one, where is an area of value? Barely looking at this point, you know that this place is a support area. Nobody has to tell you. Clearly, your eyes are showing you koro. How many points reject this market? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You see a strong support. In which market reject that strong support almost 5 times. Yes, there's always tendency that anytime market comes and tests a support for the second time, there's likely sound that it may be broken. But in this case, the market did not come with that strength and power. Suppose it's a spike can break this one through or just once, but there are some kind of strong support or strong resistance that need a lot of confirmations. So that's just it. Had it been the market came here and started what do you call build off, the market started consolidating small again, small from here, the consolidation stopped here. But what happened? As the market just crossed over this moving average, this black moving average, the trend completely changed. And sometimes when a trend of a market change, it improved the quality of the market structure using at that particular time with that particular price action at that particular market current condition. This is FOREX live on Monday here in Nigerian time, 2 p.m. Nigerian time. So that's what you should understand. Please, you see, we obey the first rule, we obey the second rule. And what is the likely scenario? The likely scenario is for you to decide, what is the exact thing you should do when you get a market at a support or at a resistance with a strong confirmations. What are those confirmations? Those confirmations are those two conditions we mentioned earlier. Number one, you understand the market trend. Number two, you understand which an area of value does the market is heading to for you to buy or sell at that current market condition. Based on those two things, we ask ourselves and we answer those questions successfully. The first one, our market trend is uptrend because the price is trading above the what? The black moving average. Our second condition is what? An area of value. Market has bounced up that strong support level here that the market is 5 times before the market started trading above that black moving average. So that's what you should understand. Even the settings I've never released to anyone except those that bought the strategy. So that's why. If you want the strategy, you want to buy it for yourself and be a money making machine for yourself, fine. So if you get the strategy and you get the EA, I can tell you that you can even start your trading now and even forget about the mentor. The mentorship is good because even if you have those tools, as far as you like the mentorship, if you don't have the experience. But for those that have the experience already, if you get this strategy, you get this bots, because the bots are 4. We have the boom and crash bot. We have the boom bot and the crash bot, and we have the demos, both the real and the demo. So that we should understand. So you see this market spike up again. But why it spike up? It's just trying to retest this area. So the market is coming down to for the final retest. This is an uptrend. The market has changed direction. It's in an uptrend market. I can still buy. I think I will buy this market here. I need to buy this market. Let me check. I need to buy this market. I need to buy this market. I think I will buy this market. I will buy this market. I will buy it now. I will use high loss because I'm using my bot to trade. Buy. Let me put my format TP. Mom is calling me. My format TP is 1080 850 confirmed. So that's all. As market started reading, this is why it's my TP. So nice to see you. Talk to you in my next video. This is AGA Forex. So you see, after we have compiled those 3 conditions that give us our trading plan, fine. But had it been when we want to enter this market, we check the market is not at an area of value. This place, the market is not at a support here. You see, as we entered, the market spike again. Okay. You see, look at it here. Had it been this place is not an area of value because the market is in an uptrend and the area of value is not from a strong support or resistance, I'm not going to enter this market. Nothing can ever make me enter this market. I must have those 2 confirmations together, add up to your own trading plan, and use those 3 scenarios to make your trading decision, and this will definitely change your life. This will definitely change your way of trading. This will definitely change every perspective of psychological influence you have with trading, because some people naturally have some negative influence with trading. But if you give yourself time, get the strategy, influence it, do it, try it, host it, you can see I just closed almost $500 profit just from 2 signals taken this morning. 1 signal in the morning and 1 in the afternoon here. So please always try to understand which area of value are you working from and are you trading from. This is the market I just entered now. It's the same boom 1000 I closed, but I booked another profit and I still enter again. I booked almost $200 on the position I closed now. So this is AGA Forex. As of now, I have already hit my target for today. But this market I enter now, I'm leaving the market till next day. I don't care, probably till next tomorrow, and you'll see the amount of money I'm going to close with this position, which will surely shock you and shock the way we trade, because I know I'm trading from my own trading board with respect to everything I'm doing with this strategy. Everything I'm trying to tackle, I'm just doing all this to help all struggling traders to make money. I want you to all make money. I want us to make the money together as a struggling traders. There are a lot of informations that are hidden to you. You need to get such informations, and I promise I will definitely deliver all such informations to you for free. This is AGA Forex. See you in my next video. Bye. This is AGA Forex. Sorry, I'm back. I want to show you that that entry I took this morning when I was doing that other video, because I'll upload the video soon, so I want to get you updated. See, this market has already go. It nearly hit. It did not hit my TP. I set my TP, but the market did not hit my TP. But this is where the market reached. See, so this market, this property is around $130 something, but I just leave it here so that I should not close it, so that I want to show you live so that I can see it. Here is another already is confirmation signal here for us to go long, because based on that strategy, this confirmation may be something big for us to go long. And I think, let me just close this trade. The profit is still reducing. Let me just close it live here. So this is it. So I've already achieved my target of almost $300-400 plus for today with our magic bomb strategy from our VIP signal. So please don't forget, you see I've captured it. Don't forget to subscribe to our VIP channel. It will really help you, because we know what we are giving here, and we know the kind of value we are giving in this strategy. So nice to talk to you. See you soon in my next video. Bye. This is AGA Forex.